Alright, so you want to create some NFTs on OpenSea or NFT collection, but you don't want to pay the gas fees because no one actually wants to pay that. It's way too much. And you can see right here in my wallet that I have $0. I don't have anything on this wallet, but I'm still gonna create a collection on OpenSea, and it's actually really easy to do. You just wanna hit create collection, and then you will just wanna do the stuff you probably already know what this is gonna be, because okay, so you probably wanna create your collection. You already probably know the names, so I'm just gonna type them in. Is that taken? How is that taken? How are these names already taken though? There we go. And you just want to press in the logo or type in the or copy your logo image, get it in here and stuff like that, and banner and stuff like that. Category. But this is the most important thing. That's probably why you're watching this. How to do it for free. You want to change this to the Polygon network. As you can see right here, it's gas-free blockchain that works with Ethereum. Just press that, and then you can create your collection and set your realities and stuff like that. Type in your wallet right here. If you don't know how to do that, just really easy to do. And then you want to change this up. I think actually when you're first doing this, you probably don't have the Polygon network. But if you have that, you just want to change this to Polygon network. When you do this, I think it's gonna like get some messages up so you can get the Polygon smart chain on your network. See right here, I have the collection. I just took in a photo of an ape, and then you can just start adding. Now I'm adding NFT. Really easy to do. Now we have our NFT in the collection, and I can sell it for a price, and it's not gonna say anything about gas fees. Now you have to approve some transactions when you're getting the NFT up. Sometimes this fails, but you just wanna try it again then if it fails. Sometimes actually it says that it wanna have some gas fees covered, and there's also like a glitch I can say. You don't want to do that. You just want to wait until you can do it like I'm doing right here, where there's nothing. It doesn't cost anything. So as you can see right here, this is what normally costs money to list the NFT, and I just listed it for free with $0 in my MetaMask. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.